Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Valerie Mills. Thanks for logging on to My Fox Hurricane, where we are counting down to the end of the 2024 hurricane season. Today officially marks 14 days until we close out the season. Things are quieting down, but we are still tracking Tropical Storm Sara. That has been bringing a lot of rain to northern Honduras, and really we're talking several feet of rain in some cases, causing a lot of flooding and mudslides. And this storm really has been very slow, nearly stationary at times, and that's what's been the biggest issue with this. Is it's just been raining so much in the same parts of Central America. We're starting to see that nudge on shore there, and so over the last couple of hours this is starting to pick up a little bit of speed, now moving to the west northwest, 6 miles per hour. Winds are down to 40, and it is expected to continue weakening through the day Sunday and on into Monday. You see those winds by Sunday night down to 35 miles per hour, expected to be down to 30 then by Monday. And so all of the higher terrain for these areas is really going to start to impact the storm even more, as we've started to kind of see that center of circulation cross into Belize, where still advisories are in place with some tropical storm warnings for there. And what's interesting about this tropical system is originally we were watching for the potential for this to get back into the Gulf of Mexico and strengthen. That is not the case. Great news for the Gulf Coast, as it's been a very busy season all across the Gulf Coast, and especially for the Sunshine State. But we are going to watch all of this deep tropical moisture that's down in the Caribbean start to move through the Gulf over the next couple of days, and it will merge with a cold front that's going to be moving right across kind of central and eastern parts of the country. You see all that deep tropical moisture then over the state of Florida. That is going to be on Wednesday, all that drier air moving in behind it, and so it is going to be bringing us a round of rain for the state as this front kind of merges with all of that deep tropical moisture. We'll get this round of rain moving through the area on Wednesday, but no tropical trouble otherwise, and so that is great news here, as we're starting to see these water temperatures cool down as well. We've got more 70s here in the Gulf and off the state of Florida. And other than Tropical Storm Sara, which is likely not going to be Tropical Storm Sara as we get to the end of the weekend, otherwise the Atlantic Basin is quiet. No other areas of interest right now. We'll keep updating you right here on My Fox Hurricane.